Hello, so today we're gonna install the 10 softwares that we're needed to. We have Arduino, AutoCAD, Eagle, Circuit Wizard, Electronic Bench, Fritzing, Open Broadcast Software, Packet Tracer, Google SketchUp, and VMware Workstation. So we're gonna start with VMware Workstation. We're gonna open this one. And we're gonna wait a couple seconds. We're gonna click yes. So it's installing. We're gonna wait for this to finish. I'm gonna post this recording so the video won't be so long. So here we go. We click next. We click the accept terms. Next. I'm gonna uncheck this one. So I'm gonna click next. Then I'm gonna uncheck this two box also. And click next. Okay, so it's desktop and start menu. It's okay. So I'm gonna click next and then install. So I'm gonna wait for this to finish. I'm gonna post the recording again and be back when it's done. So it's done installing. We click finish and it's done. So here, so we're gonna try to open it to see if it works. So here, it does work. So we're done with the VM. We're gonna move to the next one. Open software. So we're gonna install next SketchUp, Google SketchUp. We're gonna open this file. Just wait a couple seconds. We click yes. So after opening the file, we choose the language, then next, then we don't change anything there, so we click install. So here it's already installing. We're gonna wait for it to finish. So I'm gonna post the recording again. So it's done. We click finish and wait for a couple of seconds again. So it's already here. It installed 3 apps. We're gonna open SketchUp, see if it works. We're gonna click start modeling, and here it shows that it works. So we're done with SketchUp. We're gonna move on with the third, the Packet Tracer. So we're opening this up. Click run as administrator, so that won't pop up again. Click yes. So we wait for it to open. Okay, so click accept the agreement. Next, 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 and next, and then install. So it's installing already. We're gonna wait for this to finish. So it is done installing. We click finish. The launch Cisco Packet Tracer is checked, so it will launch automatically. We're gonna wait for it. Okay, so it's already launching. Wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so here we go. We click allow access. So before you can use the app, it requires you to sign in. If you don't have an account, you need to create one. So I'm just gonna quickly sign in. So after you sign in, you can already use the app. So we're done with Cisco. We're gonna move on to the next one. Not down. After Cisco, we go for OBS, Open Broadcast Software. So we open this installer, click yes, next, next, install. So it's already installing. I think this is just a couple of seconds to take. I'm gonna pause the recording if it's done. So it's done, we click finish, and then it will automatically launch again. We go, we click next, next. So we can see it's running. So we're done with that. Gonna move with the next one. We have Fritzing. So I'm just gonna move with this and click. We're moving this to the desktop. So I'm gonna extract it here because it's a zip file. We're gonna wait for it to finish. So the zip file is done extracting. We created this file. So we open this one, and here's the Fritzing. We open this to show it's working. And there we go. It's working normally. So we're done with Fritzing and this one. Gonna move to the next software. Here we have electronic workbench. We're gonna open that one. Yes, click yes. And then click next, 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 finish. It's already installing files. This will only take a couple of seconds and it's done. So after that, we're gonna look for it here. Type electronic workbench. So this is here. We're gonna pin this to taskbar. I mean, so we can see. So it's here. We click this one. So here, the app is installed. So I'm gonna unpin this. So we move to the next one. The circuit wizard. We open the installer. It's setting up, so we'll be careful. Okay, so it's done. We click next. Yes. Next. Next. And it's installing. And it's done installing. So it's already here. So we're gonna check if this works. Open. So it's already working normally. Now we move to the next one. We will install Auto Eagle PCB and AutoCAD the last. So we're gonna move to Arduino. Yes, I agree. Actually, I'm gonna uncheck this all. I'm gonna check the desktop so we can find it here in the desktop. So it is extracting files. So we're gonna wait for this to finish. So it's done. We click close, and it's here. Arduino. We open this to see if it works. It's starting. So it works. So it's done. So we move to the the last two. We have AutoCAD left and Autodesk. So I'm gonna start with Eagle. I click open. Click yes. We click accept, next, and create a desktop shortcut, next, next, install. So it's installing. We're gonna wait for this to finish. So, so it's done. It's already here. We're gonna wait for it to launch, and there we go. Eagle Autodesk. It takes a couple of while. There, it's already open. I'm already signed in, so I don't have to sign. I'm done. So we're gonna install the last one, which is AutoCAD. I'm gonna put it here in this cup. I'm gonna extract the files here. So I'm gonna wait for this to finish. Gonna come back when it's done. So the file is done extracting. So we have this file right here. We open this and scroll down. We click setup. Click yes. So it is initializing. We're gonna wait for it. So it's here. Click install. Then we click next. So it's initializing. So there we have to click accept. So next. Then if we don't have a serial number, you just put in 000000000. Only 2 4 6 8 zeros, 2 4 6. So click next. Oh, we must put in the first name and your last name. The organization, you can put anything there. So click next, and then we install. So we're gonna wait for this to finish. This will take a couple of minutes. So I'm gonna come back when it's done. So the installation is complete. Click finish. This is just a readme. Don't mind this one. So here we go. We got this one. We're gonna open to see if it works. Just wait for this to open. So we have here the initial setup. You choose there if you are architecture, civil, electrical, or any of this. I'm just gonna choose others. Then we're just gonna choose modeling. Then we click start AutoCAD. Oops, we double click it. So we're just gonna run because we don't have the product. We don't have their license too. So we can see it's loading. So there we go. It's now working. So done. I'm gonna close this one. We opened two apps, so that's my bad. So as we can see here, we have the 10 apps installed. We have the electronic workbench, we have VM workstation, we have Fritzing, Cisco Packet Tracer, Arduino, Open Broadcast Software, we have Eagle, AutoCAD, Google SketchUp, and Circuit Wizard. So that's gonna be it. Thank you.